What an example of a Land Rover Defender hardtop this is. 6-seater, rear urban conversion to the rear, 3 seats. It's 3 seats in the front, so it's got the middle jump seat. So this is a 6-seater hardtop, D350, the best engine, X-Dynamic HSE, the best model, with air suspension, with an electric deployable Towbar in Carpathian grey, then with some beautiful styling. So we've got front splitters, wide arches, bonnet vents, pod lights, upgraded Riviera wheels. It's also got a cold climate pack, so you've got heated steering wheel, heated washer jets. How good is this car if you're looking for a hardtop? You want 6 seats, which is super rare. Great colour, great spec. VAT qualifying, going live today. It'll sell today, guaranteed. Because someone will want the 6 seats, they'll want the D350, they'll want this spec, and they want something that just looks absolutely fantastic. Riviera wheels, 22-inch in gloss black. You can see that front splitter into the arches. Then you've got the side vents as well as the bonnet vents. Side steps, pod light, wide arches into the back bumper, rear spoiler, spare wheel cover. And then, if I just open this up, even though you've had the rear seats put in by Urban, you've still got a huge boot space, you've still got an electric deployable tow bar to press the button, and adaptive air suspension. Great car, this. We'll start in the back first. So remember, this has had a genuine Urban rear seat conversion. Expensive conversion. Some of the conversions, there's obviously different companies throughout the UK who do them, but Urban do a very, very good job. So you can see here, you can see it's got the mats in, you've got the Urban logo there on the seats, black leather inside, black leather in the front as well. So also I've obviously got the windows in there as well, which have been done. So the conversion's been done to a very high standard. Then you climb into the front. Just another feature it's got the darker cross beam again. So around the steering wheel, around the inserts is all finished in that dark grey. So we've got 3 seats in the front. We've got Meridian Sound, we've got memory seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, larger screen, digital dash. Doesn't get any better really if you want a commercial and you want 6 seats. Makes it unbelievably practical for the space and for carrying passengers. Right, so other features I've spoke about, your heated wheel. This is the cross beam, which is lovely on the steering wheel. With it being a HSE, you have heated seats and you have cooled seats. There's your adaptive air suspension. You've got front and rear heated screens as well. Into the main menu, you've got your 360 surround camera system, again, which is superb. And you've got tow and assist with having an electric deployable tow bar, wireless Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth multimedia, driver assistance, Android Auto. The jump seat, if you're not using it, in the middle, that pulls down into a centre armrest. You've got your cup holders, USB charging points there as well. Just a fabulous Defender 110 hardtop, commercial, with 6 seats, with a very expensive rear seat conversion, the best engine. It's going live on all our platforms. If you want to get it reserved, my name and number's on the screen. Thank you for watching.